looking at the Team, what's it called? Forgotten already. The Team Minicom on receive side. Well, there are no receive adjustments, so we're now going to just put it on the test set and see how it performs and whether it's working properly. We've got the set on channel 20, and I may as well just hold it there and we'll see how that comes in on the test set. So we have the signal generator. 10 microvolts, 3 microvolts, 1 microvolt, 0.3, and the squelch has come in, so we'll drop the squelch down, pressing the squelch button and then down on the mic until it's off. So we're down to 0.3 of a microvolt, 0.25, 0.2. Now I can't really hear it under 0.2. I'm going to turn the tone off and then back on. You can just hear that at 0.2 of a microvolt. Right, well that's fine. That performance is excellent. So now we'll see how the squelch is working. So the squelch threshold, that's 1 microvolt, drops out at 0.6 of a microvolt. Back in at 1 microvolt, drops out 0.6, so it's good hysteresis. We'll now see how that is on full squelch. As I've said many times before, you don't want a radio where you turn the squelch to full and it never receives a signal. So let's see where it is. Yeah, it comes in at 10 millivolts, drops off at 3 millivolts. So it does work how you'd expect it to work. I'm going to leave the radio on 100 microvolts, sorry, the signal generator on 100 microvolts, and we'll just turn the squelch down to a sensible level. Now, the reason I put it on that is just so we can see the RF gain working. Press RF gain, and we'll just see how that's attenuating. And that's working fine. Said before, if you wanted it to be full RF gain, then that is 54. Go out of RF gain. I'll drop the squelch down to nothing so you can see this demonstration. The squelch is now off, so that's your signal coming through at S9 equivalent of 100 microvolts. Then we'll put the RF gain on, which I've now preset, and you can hear that come in. And then we can adjust that attenuation, and then back to normal. Then, as we've said before, I'll just put the squelch back up. As I said before, in fact, I'll tell you what, I'll pause the video and I'll just plug the antenna in. Okay, so we've now got the workshop aerial plugged in. So I'm going to scan now. So that's holding the AF button down. It's gone into scan. I've switched auto squelch on. That's done by holding the squelch button. If I release that, it stops. And auto squelch, which is presettable again using the up-down controls on the mic. So we're scanning up the channels at the moment. If we can also scan down the channels by pressing the down button on the mic. So now it's scanning down the channels. So we're in the middle of nowhere, 35 miles from the nearest city. so I don't expect much activity, especially in the evening. I'm doing this at 6:15 in the evening, so the farming community and the quarry workers have disappeared off. We're all quite good users of CB. So if we drop the squelch down, we might even hear some of the people in one of the cities like Nottingham, which is 35 miles away. I may as well use that button to do that. I'll go out to scan first. See if anybody's cursing and swearing in Nottingham. No, nobody out there today. I'll have a flick round the channels. And there you have it. There's no adjustments, as I say, on this model for receive. And next time I have one of my colleagues come over, we'll do an on-the-air test exactly the same as we did the other two, so there's no difference in the way that performs. Right, well, thank you for watching.